Hi everyone. So today we'll talk about red garnet stone. This is a stone of fire, passion, spirituality. It's associated with your root chakra. It is a stone of passion. It is associated with the element fire. And we'll talk about the benefits. We'll talk about the importance of it. It's a very dark red color of stone. I'm not sure if you can see it, but in if you see it in sunlight, you'll be able to see how beautiful this stone is. The light, when sunlight when falls upon it, it reflects a very pretty red color. So it's a very beautiful stone. As also, apart from the benefits that it holds and everything, so I wear a lot of stones. This is one of them because it gives confidence. It boosts, like it heals your root chakra, and I feel my root chakra is very weak, so that is one reason that I wear this stone. It is not just associated with fire element, it's associated with blood, it's associated with giving life to like when during pregnancy maybe, or when you want to conceive. So that is a time when you choose this stone. So we'll start talking about the physical and metaphysical properties of red garnet stone. And to begin with, I'll start with red root chakra activation. And in this stone, when you wear it, it activates your root chakra, gives you, improves your metabolism, and opens up your root chakra, gives you that energy to heal it. It grounds your energy, providing you stability, confidence, and that spirit you need to rise above the problems in your life. So root chakra usually is activated when you lack confidence, when you lack courage, when you self sabotage, and there is a lot of negativity in your overthinking, anxiety. So some of these reasons come from weak root chakra, and this red garnet stone helps you to overcome those problems and activate your root chakra. The second property, the metaphysical physical property of this stone, is that it reawakens your passion. So when we talk about reawakening passion, it's not just in regards to your love life, in your relationship. It reawakens your passion in creativity, in things you want to do to make you move forward, give you that action. So fire element and root chakra are all about action. If you know, you know. So it gives you that momentum. It brings that momentum in your life. Gives you that passion to move forward towards things that you are really driven towards. And to awaken love in your relationship is obviously one, and the passion and love in your relationship, this is obviously one of those tones. But then apart from, if you keep that love aside, it is also very useful to, if you want to pursue something creative and you don't have that confidence. So this stone is something that will help you achieve those goals and give you that passion to move forward towards it. Third property is giving courage and confidence. So this stone is, when it gives you passion, it activates your root chakra. That is what follows courage and confidence. So when it works as a shield, as an armor. It protects you from the negativity. It protects you from things that you think are going to hamper your growth, success, those negative thought process. It works as a armor. It protects you from that and gives you the courage and confidence to move forward, to move in the direction that you want to and achieve what you want to. The fourth property of this stone is it works as an emotional detox. It helps you overcome from old patterns, old wounds, things that you have dealt with in past but are not able to get over it, your traumas, your emotional weaknesses. It helps you overcome those problems and those situations. It helps you move on from past to present so that you can fully be in your power. It helps you be in your own power, to acknowledge your power, to own your power, and to act in your power. So it will help you move on. It will help you It will protect you, and it will give you that courage and confidence. Obviously we talked about it. And it this is a very perfect stone for a lot of things. But if you want to fully step into your power, and if you want to heal from your past traumas, if you want to know your self-worth, if you want to achieve what you have wanted to achieve for a long time but are not getting that courage and confidence, so this is one of those stones that you can pick for yourself. Obviously you need to consult first, but then if you want to pick it by googling or listening to somebody talk about it, then yeah, you can go for it. This is one of those stones, and I want to show you how it looks in sun. I don't know if you'll be able to see it from so far, but I'll attach video clips at the end of it to show you how beautiful it looks in sun. So when we talk about the ancient time or the ancient life of this stone, how was it found out? How was it used in ancient times? So this stone was used by warriors, by uh, in war when they were on the borders, or in Egypt it was used by warriors. Okay, so in India this stone is associated with fire and transformation, the transition from what you were to what you have to be, what you want to be, and to see your becoming. Okay, so this stone is not just for life, it's for afterlife also, because in earlier traditions people used to bury this stone with people for their afterlife, to help them in their afterlife. So this stone is not just to help your now self, but it's also for your higher self. Okay, it helps you connect with your higher self. It helps you see things that your eyes or brain could not see or process. So garnet is a stone that is known for a magnet for manifestation. Okay, so this wearing this stone and believing its power will help you align what's meant for you. It will help you align with your path. It will help you align to what is truly meant for you to, uh, accept willingly with open arms, and be prepared for what is to come for you, and be aligned to what is in line for you in near future. So this is that a stone that is a magnet for manifestation. You can wear it. If you wear it, you need to charge it obviously, and then you need to talk to it, and then you need to affirm daily looking at it that it's helping you, it's bringing you that abundance. It's aligning you with your path, it's aligning you with your purpose in life, and the higher purpose, not just purpose, or I'm not talking about the purpose you think you have in this life. You don't know what your purpose is. Let me tell you. So the purpose of your life, so it's your soul purpose, the purpose that you're sent for on this planet. So it will help you align with that purpose. Now talking about who should wear red garnet. So people who are feeling stuck, they are demotivated, they feel there is no drive, there is no passion, there is no like you cannot see your path forward, and you don't know in which direction you should move, you're confused. So you feel stuck, so that is when you should wear red garnet. One. Second, when you have faced a betrayal, when you need to overcome your past trauma, you cannot deal with something emotionally that you have to deal with to move on, that is when you wear red garnet. And the third is to gain that courage, confidence, to get that passion, that fire element in you, to move forward with the passion, to move forward with the all the energy, to align with yourself. To if you feel you're not aligned with yourself, if you are not happy, content with where you are right now, and you think that something is missing, you are not able to put your finger on it, but then something is missing and something is off. So that is when you wear red garnet. And yeah. This is how this red garnet bracelet looks. It might look black, but it's not black. I'm not sure if you can see how beautiful the color is when sun falls on it. It's a very beautiful red color. It's not even red, it's some pretty magenta, I think, color, but it's very, very pretty color.